Amsterdam. Here I come. Babe, thanks for getting up so early to take me.
You're welcome.
Thanks for letting me go.
Yeah, I cannot stop you.
You hear that? I'm unstoppable. Very few people. It's kind of weird. Oh, Amsterdam. I think this is my 6th trip to the Netherlands. I love the Dutch. So laid back, bicycles everywhere. Okay, I made it. Here I am in Amsterdam. My room is not ready till 1 o'clock, so I have to kill time for a few hours, but good place to kill time. Amsterdam has fewer bridges than Hamburg, if you can believe it. But technically, if you count the unused locks that are left open, Amsterdam wins. 63% of Amsterdammers use their bikes daily. Here, I wanted to show you something cool. Since the city is so bicycle oriented, they're trying to make it easy. So look, down the middle of the steps, they'll put this rail so you can get your bike down. It makes perfect sense. You gotta love the Dutch. So it's 3:30 in the morning and my jet lag situation is better than to be expected. Usually it takes me a couple days to kind of reset, but I think I'm ready to go today. So this is Amsterdam at 5 in the morning, and the jet lag is almost shaken off. Give me till tomorrow, should be fine. Hank's herring. That's what these seagulls are hanging out for. Want some herring? Nice. I won't be getting any of that. Gotta stay away from the sweets.